Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a quick unboxing of something I purchased from the Color Codes collection by Chanel, which they just released recently. It's a limited edition collection. It's called CODES COULEUR, which pretty much means color codes, and they came up with 9 different colors and 3 exclusive accessories in each color for this collection. The one thing I wanted to get was the brush set in color Immortelle, which is a beautiful lilac color. However, by the time I decided to go ahead and purchase it, it was all sold out. So the only thing I could find was this item, and it was still available in multiple colors, and I picked this particular color. I also kind of was thinking of getting another mirror also in the lilac color. However, like I mentioned, they were all sold out, so I figured I'm happy with my mirror. Probably don't need another one just because it has a pretty color. And I know I unboxed and kind of reviewed this mirror before and mentioned there was a clicking noise when I opened and closed it, and that pretty much remained for the whole entire time I owned this mirror. Recently I spilled some powder or something like that kind of around this mirror, and I decided to wash it. So after I washed it in the sink, I don't remember exactly, I believe I used cold water. I'm not sure if I used warm water or not, but I'm pretty sure I used cold water. And shockingly, the clicking noise went away after that. So guys, if your mirror clicks when you open and close it, I don't know, try washing it in the sink and see if that works for you as well. I'm not sure how or why that happened. Maybe, you know, the plastic contracted or something and got aligned better, but yeah, it doesn't click anymore. So that's that. So let's open this package and see what I got. I always have trouble opening these type of packages that have the rip away part. Okay, there you go. Beautiful Chanel packaging as always. Ooh, nice little baggie. So let me move this out of the way. There's an invoice and return shipping label in this little packet. Wow, I haven't actually received this type of packaging before. This is the first time I see something like this. Oh, this is a blank card. I always request these blank cards. There's an option when you make an order to include a card. You can have them write something on it, but sometimes I like to use them for something else, or maybe write my own message for someone else or something like that. So I think it's nice to have. And then there's let's see, there's some samples. This one I got before, and I really like this Camellia Rouge cream, so I got it again. And then the second one is the Ultimate Cream Universal Texture Sublimage. I don't remember if I tried this one before. I think I have, but anyway, I really like Chanel skin products, so I'm always excited to get these freebies, and I like these little baggies that they come in. And here's the actual item that I got. It is a nail file. I have never tried a glass nail file before. So when I originally saw that these nail files were offered in this collection, I was like, no, a nail file for $30? I don't think so. I did some research and I found out that a glass nail file is potentially a better option than any other nail file out there, any other material that they come in. And I figured, since I never tried it before, maybe I should. A lot of times I find myself in a situation where my nail breaks and I don't have a file. So I'm like, okay, actually, this is the item I actually need, where I do already have the mirror, so why get that when this is an actual thing that I'm missing in my collection. As you can see, the color that I chose is Ovni. I wanted that lilac color, but it was gone, and this was my second choice. So, you know, I'm okay with the second choice. There was no other color really that I liked, particularly in that collection, although I think the green, like a grayish green color was really nice. I guess that green color would be my third choice, but since my second choice was available, I went ahead and bought that. And OVNI actually means UFO, unidentified flying object, and that I learned from Super Dacup's channel, so I want to give credit to Dacup. So let's open and check out this nail file. Wow! It's so pretty! I guess I do really like this color. Let's take a closer look. Let's see if I can focus. So there's a logo. I guess it's like printed on top of glass. This is the size of it for reference. This is it on my palm, so you can see. And ta-da, here it is. I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm wearing this Lululemon workout tank top right now, and I wish I could show you. Oh, here it is. Here it is. It's kind of a similar color. I guess, I mean, yeah, I was prepared. It does have that hint of green. It's not as strong greenish yellow as this, but still, I think it's not pure yellow. It's got some of that green in it. And I guess the most important part of this whole video is, does this thing actually work? So let me go ahead and try this nail file. Which nail should I try it on? I guess, yeah, let's just do this. Oh, wow. It feels very, like, very rough, I want to say. It feels more rough than, you know, those paper nail files that you get. Sometimes if you guys ordered anything from Fashion File, they send you a literal file, like nail file. I guess that's like a play on their name, Fashion File. I don't know. But yeah, this one definitely feels more rough. Let's see. Okay, my nail feels pretty smooth after this whole filing action. Yeah, it definitely works. The edge is smooth. I don't feel any splitting. The edge of the nail does not feel rough like sometimes you file it with like a metal file or that paper file. And I'm saying paper, I mean like a cardboard, you know what I mean. But yeah, this feels very smooth. I like it. I like what it did to my nail. I like the way it works. Here's the file again. And yeah, I mean, it's a glass file, so you have to be kind of careful and not drop it. Otherwise, it will break. And from the research that I did online, these type of glass files last usually somewhere around 1 year. So this is not like a forever item. It's definitely gonna get dulled after use, but it's such a cute little thing. I guess, I mean, even after it's like no longer useful, it's cool to have like a collector's little piece and maybe use it as something else. I'm not sure what else can it be used for after you use it for a year as a nail file, but it's cute. I'm happy with it. I think it was worth $30, especially since you get some freebies with it. Yeah, overall, I have nothing negative to say about this. I like it. I like the way my nail feels. So there you go. I hope this was helpful. I'm not sure if any of them are still available online or not. But yeah, I was like underwhelmed at first with the nail file, like looking at it online and trying to figure out if I want something from this collection. But now that I actually have it in my hand and I've used it a little bit, yeah, I'm excited. I think that was a good purchase and I guess I would do it again. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank all my subscribers so much. I appreciate you guys. And I know I've been missing for a little bit and I haven't posted videos as often as I did before. And it's not because I haven't shot any of the videos for you guys. I actually did. I have quite a few videos that I already filmed, but I did find out that editing is a bit daunting. Like, it's not my favorite thing to do. Editing. I wish it was easier somehow. But yeah, that's what keeps me from posting more regularly. I'm hoping to get back into swing of things and, you know, really get on top of it, finish editing all these videos that I have for you, and I will try to post them as soon as I can. So basically, I want to ask you to bear with me, and thank you so much if you watched up until this point, up until the very end. I love you for this, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye!